Jeanette Brathwaite is the new Regional Junior Minister of Tourism. The Signal Hill Secondary School students came home to a hero's welcome at the A&R Robinson International Airport.
So when I came in and I saw everyone at the airport, my heart literally wanted to explode out of happiness, because it shows that I have a lot of persons who are supporting me and that I've truly made persons within the island proud, and that this achievement is not only mine but everyone's achievement. It is truly a happy feeling being back home.
17-year-old Jeanette Brathwaite walked away with the coveted title of Regional Junior Minister of Tourism at the recently concluded Caribbean Tourism Organization Youth Congress. She presented ideas on experiential tourism as a tool to improve Tobago's tourism product.
According to Mortensen 2010, an immersive museum is a specialized space which creates the illusion of time and place by using 3D technology to integrate visitors into the experience.
Along with her presentation style and use of technology showcasing Tobago, Ms. Brathwaite credits the support of her team as being key to cupping the regional title for the first time.
Actually really nervous. However, I saw my teachers, I saw our secretary, I saw Miss Sylvester, I saw my mom and my aunt, and it gave me that boost of confidence to go out there and showcase the island.
I couldn't believe at first when they announced that Tobago had won. It was a surreal feeling, and it just symbolized the fact that hard work, diligence, preparation reaps great rewards.
The new Regional Junior Minister of Tourism intends to use her platform to encourage other young people to share their ideas for the industry.
I see Jenny using it to encourage more students in the school, not only to join the club, but to also look at tourism as a career.
The CTO Youth Congress provides the opportunity for young people to develop a greater interest in the region's tourism sector. This initiative is supported by the division through its youth tourism programs.
The division places such a high emphasis on tourism education. We say from nursery to tertiary, so that they could be ambassadors for tourism for Tobago in particular. And this victory for Tobago, for the division, is phenomenal.
Ms. Brathwaite is grateful to Mrs. Patrice Carut-Jack, Dr. Selvon Hazel, Miss Janelle Moore, and Miss Carrie Manswell, as well as the Secretary, Assistant Secretary, Administrator, Program Coordinator, and Cultural Officer too, for their immeasurable support. Reporting from the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities, and Transportation, I'm Julia James.